Sealing rim joists with spray foam during new home construction cuts drafts and long-term energy loss immediately. Rim joist spray foam upgrades should target both air sealing and thermal resistance by applying closed cell spray foam directly to the rim joist cavity where the sill plate meets the exterior sheathing. Closed cell foam provides high R value per inch and acts as a vapor retarder, so applying at least 1 inch to 1.5 inches gives a durable seal while maintaining structural rigidity against windwash. For a do-it-yourself friendly alternative, install continuous rigid foam sheathing against the rim band, tape all seams with compatible flashing tape, and seal gaps with high-quality exterior caulk, ensuring a continuous air barrier from the sill plate to the floor joist ends. When working around wiring, plumbing, and HVAC penetrations, remove loose insulation, clean surfaces, and mask off fixtures, then use low-expansion foam around sensitive penetrations to avoid distortion. Always ventilate the work area, wear appropriate respiratory protection and nitrile gloves, and follow the manufacturer cure time before closing cavities to avoid trapping off-gassing inside finished assemblies. Finish by insulating the rim band interior face with bats or blown insulation compressed to the design depth while preserving the air seal created by the foam or rigid board. The three most common issues are incomplete air sealing, foam overspray or improper expansion, and moisture trapping. Incomplete air sealing happens when installers miss small gaps at the sill plate or behind wiring. Catch this by running a finger along seams and using a flashlight to inspect for light leaks before finishing. Then inject low expansion foam into missed voids. Foam overspray and improper expansion occur when installers use wrong nozzle temperature or apply too thick too fast. Avoid this by following manufacturer application rates, keeping passes thin, and trimming excess after cure with a serrated knife. Moisture trapping is a concern where closed cell foam is applied without attention to drainage planes or venting. Preserve a drying path by ensuring exterior sheathing drainage and by not covering vented crawlspace openings, and consider vapor control strategies appropriate to your climate. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors to help plan and execute rim joist spray foam upgrades and related insulation work, and we support contractors looking for new jobs and projects in their area. We also host a discussion community where members share experiences, tips, and contractor recommendations to help everyone make better build and upgrade decisions.